Hey everyone, this video is for Vinyl Records Never Die, Emerson Kali, and many of the rest of the YouTubers out there. I'm going to show you another good one because I haven't done this one before. Here it is, folks. It's a mid-80s GE pot scrubber dishwasher, model 12,000. Yeah, and this belonged to the to my family's house, and it doesn't function very well because of the water. Spills all over the water. And here we have pot scrubber, normal, light wash, energy saver, China crystal, rinse, hold, clear reset, heat drying, and energy saver. And yep, here's GE Perma Tough, and of course there's functions on there. It's pretty well. And it says push firmly to start. It has the cycle selector and the drying options. It has with temperature sensor on it. Here's when it opens up. Yeah. And this one you can put your dishwashing soap in here. And the extending wash tower do not block. And here's where you can store all your dirty dishes and stuff. And it's pretty interesting to know. Extending. There's your rinse dispenser and the main cup. And there you have it. It says to operate dishwasher, fill and rinse the agent dispenser, check monthly. Load racks is shown and used in care book. Add fresh automatic dishwasher detergent. Close door and move latch in extreme light. Select cycles to heat option firmly. Turn dial control dial to start unit. For best hint result, household water temperature should be at least 120 degrees Fahrenheit. If water remains in the tub, check the blockage drain air gap located in the counter or sink. See problem causes and remedies used in care book before calling for service. We use in care book. Write GE Consumers Industrial, Louisville, Kentucky 40225. Provide model number and something. And in addition to that, it came with the original instructions. And yep, and this is for you, Vinyl Records Never Die. Yep, it's the same name that made both you and I the Wildcat. Yep, it's the same name they made my my portable stereo record player, the Wildcat. Here it is. Here's some instructions to it. Yep, this one has the warranty thing. And there's the GE logo right there. And there's your warranty. But there you have it. It's a GE dishwasher. And hope you enjoyed this video, and talk to you later.